Splash of orange. Understanding colorful phrases in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the fascinating phrase, splash of orange. This video will help you understand not only what it means but also how you can use it in your everyday English. So, let's dive in and add some color to our language learning journey. Splash of orange is an idiomatic expression in English. It refers to a small but noticeable amount of the color orange in something. Imagine a painting that is mostly blue but has a small area of bright orange. That's a splash of orange. This phrase can be used literally to talk about visual appearances or metaphorically to describe something that stands out due to its uniqueness or vibrancy. Let's look at some examples to see how this phrase can be used. 1. Art and design. The artist added a splash of orange to the canvas, making the whole painting come alive. 2. Fashion. Her outfit was quite plain, but the splash of orange from her scarf added a lively touch. 3. Figurative use. In a team full of serious people, his humorous personality was like a splash of orange. Now, let's practice using splash of orange in different sentences. Remember, the key is to use it to describe something that adds a distinctive or vibrant element to an otherwise mundane setting. The sunset had a beautiful splash of orange, contrasting with the darkening sky. During the meeting, his innovative ideas were a real splash of orange. And that's it for our exploration of the phrase, splash of orange. We hope this video has added some color to your English vocabulary and will help you in spotting and using such vivid expressions in your daily conversations. Keep practicing, and remember, a little splash of color can make a big difference in language learning. See you in our next video.